Hi everybody, Miss Beck here. As promised for today, I'm going to be doing 4 word problems with you. They're not going to be word problems that are in your packet because I did Monday and Tuesday together yesterday. But just to give us a little extra practice, we're going to be doing some addition and subtraction word problems today together. You don't have to do these unless you just want to get a blank piece of paper and write the equations down. It would be good if you could practice doing them with me, just because that gives you extra practice. And we're not in school in a classroom right now. So if you have the stuff at home to get a piece of paper and a pencil, you might want to go ahead and get that, and we're going to be doing this together. Now, you don't have to write down the word problems word for word, just write down the equation. That's all you need to do. If you want to use the strategy that I'm using, you can. If you want to use a different strategy, that's fine as well. You're going to see me doing the number line strategy. You're going to be seeing me use maybe some unifix cubes and some tokens, just some different things each time. Now, I might even try to do a problem in my head where I'm counting on my fingers or something, just to show you what that looks like. But for now, we're going to be doing some strategies in our word problems. So stay tuned. This is going to transition over to our first word problem. There's going to be only 4 because I don't want to overwhelm you today. And if you didn't finish yesterday's, you have a chance to finish that today as well. So don't stress if you didn't get it finished yesterday. You have a chance to get it done. And I think that's it. We're going to get started. All right, friends. Our first word problem says, Josiah has 8 books. He lets Andrew read some. He now has 4 books. How many books is Andrew reading? So we're going to use this number line down here, and I just did a quick draw of this. If you want to draw one on your paper, you can do that. So we're going to start up here at 4, and we're going to do our little dot, and we're going to do some jumps and see how many times it takes us to get to 8. So put 4 in your head. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's count the humps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer here should have been 4. And if you know your doubles, you know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now, let's do the subtraction. Let's start at 8, and we're going to go backwards till we get to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how many humps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So either way, whether you start with subtraction first or addition, you should have gotten 4 for your answer here. So 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 8 minus 4 equals 4. All right, friends, here's problem number 2. Corey has 3 games. He buys more. He now has 7 games. How many games did Corey buy? So let's look over here. We have 3 plus blank equals 7. 7 minus blank equals 3. So he has 3 games. So let's start on number 3. He has 3 games. He bought some more and he got 7. So let's jump to 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. And then let's start on 7 and let's go back until we get to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And if you heard me, I was going 1, 2, 3, 4. I was counting until I got to that number. So we have 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 7 minus 4 equals 3. All right, first grade, we are here with problem number 3, and I'm just going to read it to you. Sophia has 6 apples. Some of them roll away. She now has 1. How many apples rolled away? So here's our 1 apple that we have left, and I'm going to use my tokens here, and I'm going to add until I get to 6. So I'm going to put 1 in my head, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see how many pink tokens we used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you could do the same thing over on this side. You could start with 6. So let's say we started with 6 pink tokens, and we're going to take away until we have 1 left. And I'm just going to move them up here. So now we have 1 left right here. And let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. So we have 1 plus 5 equals 6, and 6 minus 5 equals 1. So 6 apples rolled away. All right, friends, we're on problem number 4, and this is our last problem for today. So I'm going to read it to you. Bella D has 2 presents. Her family brings more. She now has 10 presents. How many more did her family bring? So let's do the subtraction first this time. Let's start with 10. All right, we'll double check and make sure that we're right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Perfect. All right, and now we're going to take however many away we can until we have only 2 left. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have 2 left over here. We got 2 left because that's our answer. And let's see how many we took away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. Now, let's try this where we have 2 already. And we add some to it. All right, so let's do 2 yellows. And we're going to add to it until we get to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's see how many pink ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. And 10 minus 8 equals 2. And Bella's family brought 8 more presents. That is our answer. And I used this as an example because Bella D's birthday was this past week. Happy birthday, Bella.